Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna watch the most popular supercar shorts on YouTube. And is it gonna be fun? I don't know, but I hope so. And so without any further ado, let's go. So let's search for some supercar shorts. Okay, and then sort them by views, of course. And let's see, so for the first one we have a gaming one made in Assetto Corsa. Then we have, oh nice, Daniel Mack or Daniel Mack. I don't know, I'm sorry Daniel, I really don't know. But this guy is awesome and you will see why. Then we have Supercar from Wood. Okay. After this we have another gaming one. Okay, and then we have this one. I'm pretty sure we already saw this one in the previous reaction video, but we will see. And then we have something like a TikTok video. And oh yeah, this one is pretty good, the Porsche one. And then we have many more. But let's start with the first one. So yeah, obviously Assetto Corsa. Oh, by the way, really nice game. But yeah, not very realistic. And the thing I don't really understand is how this guy made 23 million views in 3 months. I mean, that's more than I ever did in years of editing and posting on YouTube. But yeah, good job, man.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're...
Anyway, pretty normal video to me. Nothing too special. So let's go with the other one. Oh yeah, it's time for Daniel Mack / Mac.
Your car, what do you do for a
McLaren.
living?
I don't really do anything.
You don't do anything?
Well,
No,
good for you.
Buy real estate?
Nice. That would be
Okay,
a
cool.
pretty good job, indeed.
You know, I think my dad's plus funding me just a little bit of insider trading.
Okay.
What?
That's how you get a Rolls Royce to high school.
There you go, Rolls Royce in high school.
Not bad.
I own an auto transport business and I'm a stuntman.
Transport
Stuntman.
business and a stuntman.
Nice.
Yeah, cool,
Very
man. That's
nice.
awesome.
Also very
Good for
cool
you.
Ferrari. I like that.
What do you do for a living?
Ooh,
You
SVJ.
seen it?
Nice.
What do you do? Nothing?
He doesn't know.
Alright. Hey man, love your car. What do you do for a living?
Another red Lambo, but this time an Huracan Evo.
Are you that guy?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm the guy.
he is.
God, dude, what's up?
Yeah.
Alright. Residential mortgage?
Okay.
YouTube.
Residential mortgage and YouTube.
Wait a second. YouTube? Hey YouTube, where's my f***ing Lamborghini? Huh? Because I don't think I own one. And yet I work on YouTube. Not cool, man. Not cool.
Yeah, man.
Hell yeah, man. Nice to meet
hey,
you.
it's great to see you. Man, I got a second. Did you want to drive?
Drive the car?
Yeah.
I
Dude,
want
yes,
to drive
right?
it.
Come on.
Why does this never happen to me?
Sir.
But yeah, anyway, let's go on. Okay, so we have Supercar from Wood now. And I'm really curious about this one. Okay, so first of all, probably copyrighted music. So I'm gonna try to talk over it, because I don't want to get copyright strike. Please. Okay, so are these made completely out of wood? Or are they just regular cars covered with wood? I need to know. Okay, so they are completely made out of wood. Oh, so it's a G-Wagon replica. Also nice. Yeah, amazing crafting skills, man. Yeah, indeed. So let's see the final result. Looks pretty good to me. I mean, I would like to see a G-Wagon wrapped with a wood pattern and then see the differences. Also, I don't think wood is the greatest material in the event of a crash. And probably it won't absorb enough force to save your life. But pretty good job, I'm impressed. Okay, so then we have the other gaming video, and this one seems to be made in GTA 5.
हेलो अनलियंस, तो आज मैंने बहुत सारी कारें
Which
जो हैं
language is
सुपर कार्स
that?
हैं, इन सबको इकट्ठी
I
करके
can't
एक जगह पे
recognize
और
it.
इन सब के ऊपर
Can
मैं
you
sticky
recognize
bomb
it?
लगा रहा हूँ बहुत ही बड़ा ब्लास्ट
I
करने के
can.
लिए।
I'm
तो
sorry.
यहाँ पर मैं हर जगह
So
हर गाड़ी पे
yeah,
sticky
I
bomb
think
लगा
he's
रहा हूँ
trying
ताकि मैं
to
दूर जाके इन सबको
explode all
फोड़
the
सकूँ।
cars
तो यहाँ
together
से मैं
with
थोड़ा
some sticky
और
bombs.
ज़्यादा
And
और
let's
लगा
be
लेता हूँ और
honest,
पीछे
who never
तक भी
tried
लगा
this
लेता हूँ
one?
जो भी यहाँ
I
पर
did,
आसपास की
obviously.
कारें हैं। हर 3
And surprise,
2
surprise,
1
he's going to explode them all. Okay, nice explosion, but I don't really get how these videos get 8 million views. I mean, there is nothing special to it. I think I've been doing my job wrong all this time. Me. Anyway, we already watched this other clip in the previous reaction video, so I'm gonna skip it. And we are gonna go directly to this one. I don't know what to expect. Okay, I8. So, is that it? I mean, it's like 4 seconds of video, 4 million of views. Oh my god. I won't even say anything about this one. Let's go over it. Okay, so this is pretty funny. This guy went to a Porsche dealer and... no spoilers, let's watch it. Yeah, this happened. Okay, so this is the very short version of it, but you can find the full videos on YouTube. So, what's his name? I can't remember. Okay, this might be it, but I don't think it's the owner's channel. I think it might be reposted.
Ну что, ребята, всем привет! На улице прекрасная погода, солнце, и сегодня у нас очень крутое
Also, it's
событие.
Russian, I guess, and I can't understand a single word of it. Yeah, so staged, obviously. But yeah, it worked, I guess. This video made its way around the globe, and this guy earned a lot of subscribers and money out of it. Good job again. So going on, we have more Daniel Mack / Mack.
Hey man, what do you do for a living?
Nice.
Jason Derulo for a living.
Oh, Jason Derulo, what's up, man?
What?
Yeah, man.
Is he really him?
See you, man.
No way. Let's watch it again.
Hey man, what do you do for a living?
Jason Derulo for a living.
Oh, Jason Derulo, what's up, man?
No way.
Yeah, man.
I like your shit. Alright, bro.
Wow.
What do you do for a living? TikTok?
TikTok. No way. I've been doing this all wrong again.
What do you do for a living?
A little bit of everything.
A little bit of
720
everything?
yes.
Finance company. Cool, man. Appreciate it.
Cool.
Thanks. A college student? That's it?
Pista, not in my
Cool, man, I
favorite
appreciate
spec.
What do I do for a living?
Yeah.
I'm married to this rich lady.
Married to her, and she's a rich lady? What do you do?
No way.
You're just rich? Okay, cool, cool.
Nice. I want that job. No, really. I want it. Now. And then guess what? We have more Daniel Mack, more Daniel Mack. But I think I will make a dedicated video on his channel because it's too good. And then I guess we have the same guy as before with the i8. Again, I mean, this guy is completely crushing YouTube Shorts. And what can I say? Good job.
Just got a brand new car. You want to go check it out?
Yes, let's go.
That's exactly my face when some of my friend buys a new car.
No way. Is this your car?
Yep, I just got it.
The i8. What a surprise.
This is your car, right?
No, it's over here. Hop in.
Bro, this is such a cool car.
So these guys made a complete series of shorts out of just a BMW i8 and this small child car. Awesome.
Hey yo, rich boy check.
Is it copyrighted? I don't know. But yeah, same video concept as before.
Okay, real rich boy check.
I'm gonna stop you for a moment. You are not rich if you have a BMW i8. Not at all. I mean, you can have one of these for around $45,000 where I live. So yeah, it's not a very cheap car, but you're pretty far off from being rich, trust me. And do you wanna know who's is even more farther to being rich? Yes, you won, it's me! Ha!
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're...
So guys, I think that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the clips, and don't forget to give me some recommendations in the comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe! Bye guys!